For the second day, 6.9 magnitude earthquake hits Taiwan, which leads to loss of lives and damage on September 18. At least 2 dead as Typhoon Nanmadol slams into Japan on Monday, September 19. According to the Central Weather Bureau's earthquake monitoring information between 1900 to 1990, the average number of earthquakes in Taiwan is approximately 2,200 per year, of which approximately 214 can be felt. The most catastrophic earthquake that caused the most disastrous damage in Taiwan occurred at 1:47 a.m. on September 21 of 1999, the Nantou Jiji earthquake. On 17 and 18 September 2022, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake hit southeastern Taiwan on Sunday, causing buildings to collapse and triggering tsunami warnings. The quake hit the Jisang Township in rural southeastern Taiwan and had a depth of 10 kilometers. Japan's meteorological agency issued a tsunami warning for Miyako Island in the East China Sea, but the agency later removed the warning. The United States Geological Survey had also warned of tsunami waves along nearby coastlines. 4 people were rescued after being trapped under the rubble of one building, the island's official central news agency reported. About 20 passengers were evacuated after the train derailed in the area, but there were no casualties from the incident, the Taiwan Railway Administration said. Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen activated the island's Central Emergency Operations Center following the quake. Taiwanese residents have been asked to stay alert to avoid potential aftershocks, Tsai said in a recorded statement. About 110 soldiers have also been deployed in Hualien country along the island's eastern coast to assist with disaster relief efforts, Taiwan's Defense Ministry spokesman San Lifang said. International Desk Report, Kirby Daily News. At least 2 dead as Typhoon Nanmadol slams into Japan on Monday, September 19. Powerful typhoon barreled through southwestern Japan on Monday, unleashing torrential rains and lashing winds that killed at least 2 people, triggered floods down power lines, and saw millions advised to evacuate to safety. After making landfall in Kagoshima Prefecture, Typhoon Nanmadol was heading on a northeast path along the west coast of Honshu, while the storm has weakened since making landfall late Sunday night. It is still expected to dump as much as 400 millimeters of rain in parts of the region, drenching major cities including Tokyo when people return to work Tuesday after a 3-day weekend, the meteorological agency said. Typhoon Nanmadol made landfall in southwestern Japan on Sunday night as authorities urged millions of people to take shelter from the powerful storm's high winds and torrential rain. The storm officially made landfall around 7 p.m. local time as its eyewall arrived near Kagoshima City, the meteorological agency said. Scientists say climate change is increasing the severity of storms and causing extreme weather such as heat waves, droughts, and flash floods to become more frequent and intense. International Desk Report, Kirby Daily News.